Hi, welcome to our masterclass. Before a grower can start to grow, he has to take a lot of decisions. For example, which substrate should I grow on, which watering strategy. Anyhow, all these decisions will result at the end in something good or something bad. In this video, we like to explain growing on cocoa according to the hand watering strategy. Although cocoa is seen as the future substrate, because terra can be maybe limited in the future by law, this substrate has still a natural character. If you choose for cocoa, you also have to decide what kind of watering system I'm gonna use for watering the plants. And in this video we explain the cocoa substrate, which you will water actually by hand, although you can make it automatically. Cocoa will be watered in general 1 time per day at the max. Of course, in the beginning you give always less. So it is something which you can compare between a terra growing and hydro growing, nevertheless still more to the terra side. Although cocoa is seen as an alternative for terra, it still has its organic characteristic. Nevertheless, it has no pH buffer, so it's needed to check always your nutrient solution based on EC and of course on pH. If you want to grow on cocoa by the hand watering strategy, it's very important that you water maximal 1 time a day. Of course, in the vegetative phase it will be a little bit less. For this way of watering, you need a special cocoa substrate. Always 100% cocoa, but a cocoa which can contain a lot of moist by itself. And it must be buffered. So for example, the Cocoa Professional Plus. Together with this substrate, you need the nutrient solution Cocoa A and B, which you need during the whole grow season. During the watering, you try to keep your moist content in the substrate on a lower level. So around 30 or 50% of the moist what cocoa can hold. And in that way you can say I grow actually on a wet substrate, but with a dry watering strategy. If you think that cocoa is a nice alternative for you, we see it as a next step in growing. Maybe this is the right choice for you to choose for this substrate and this watering strategy. If not, you can have a look to one of our other videos, because maybe another substrate is better suited for you.